Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on display. After that, scroll down again and click on this little switcher next to auto feature under brightness slider. As you can see, my switcher is green. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same one again. If you wish to, you can always go into tab menu instead and manage adaptive brightness by clicking on this little circle next to brightness slider to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!